Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our Ipsy unbagging for May. Alright, the first things I see are these Bouche, I don't know. Intense Hydrating Spirulina Masks. I take spirulina supplements, which is a great herb vitamin to take. Spirulina soothes sensitive, dry, and tired skin, deeply absorbs and boosts moisture, replenish, hydrates, and calms. I will absolutely use these. I might actually use one when I'm done filming today because my skin is not in a good mood. All right, the second thing that's outside the bag is this Farah 22E Shade and Blend Brush. We got these before. Yeah, it came like there was a pack of them, I think. Comes with a blending brush and then a smudge brush on the other side. I hate when they're double-ended though, because it's like, which side should I ruin by leaving it like sitting on? This side is actually too big and I'll most likely use this like to smudge under my eye, so I guess I'll ruin this side. All right, and here is the bag, which is very pretty this month. It's like a multifaceted glitter bag with a tassel at the end. All right, and here's the little thing for it. And let's see. All right, so we have this Naked Cosmetics loose powder in Painted Canyon. I'm not gonna open this, I'm gonna save it for a giveaway because I will never use this. It's like a maroon loose powder. The next is from, Pixi. This is the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. Instant Moisture Gel instantly rehydrates dry skin. Apply dime-sized amount of gel over clean, dry skin, let it soak in. Pop into your fridge and it'll help depuff your skin. Cool. And the last thing in here is from the Beauty Crop. I feel like we've got this in here before, like this brand. And it's a single shadow. And it's matte, so I will open it. Oof. And I'm going to depot this because this is a beautiful kind of camel creme brulee kind of shade. Very nice, and it's very smooth. Oh, this is very nice. I will definitely use this. All right, so, I mean, honestly, the only thing I'm not crazy about is the Naked Loose powder. All right, so is that right? So yeah, the brush I'll use, the shadow, the Pixi, and the face masks. Yeah, the only thing I'm gonna pass on is this Naked Skin, whatever. And the bag's cute. My daughter will love this. I didn't think this bag was bad, actually. For 10 bucks, I mean, that was actually pretty good. And make sure you let me know what you got in your bags this month. Do you think yours was worth it? Would you have switched it out for anything? Make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.